Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Debbie. This is my crafty den, and what you're seeing right now is my coffee bar set up for the fall. So let's pan back a little bit so we can get a good look at it. I have cups on a stand above hanging, and that is going to change as soon as I do the DIY for the back wall of my coffee bar. Not coming up really soon though. I have a lot of things to do before then. So what I have starting from right to left is my Keurig coffee maker. The outlet's in the corner right there behind the coffee maker, and it plugs in my coffee maker and my Scentsy warmer. So I have my Keurig coffee maker, which was a gift from my husband. He thought I'd like the red, and honestly I do, but I do find that it's hard to decorate with sometimes. It's really great for Christmas and Valentine's Day though. Next to that, right there, I have my coffee pod holder. It's one of those ones that rotates, and I thrifted it last month sometime, but I don't think I did a haul because I think that was the only thing I got that trip, and then I forgot to put it in the next haul. So I have my, let's get a little bit closer here now. I have my spoons in my creamer, and my sugar turned around because I have my creamer in there. So I have that. I have this clock that I absolutely love with the roosters on it. My husband got me that for a gift years ago, and I can't part with it, but it does go wonderful in this little theme here for fall. And this little pumpkin bit with the florals, that is just a little pumpkin that came from Dollarama last year or the year before. So above that, I have the embroidery hoop that I put that upcycled dish towel in. And then I have a cork mat that I like to put my coffee on. I also always have a spooner here for my wet spoons. Then I have the "You Are My Sunshine" sign that I made for this. And in front of that wonderful sunflower that I painted, I've got this bowl, and this is a bowl of acorns. So these are the acorns from the Dollar Tree. These are the acorns from Dollarama, and this is a bunch of tops from acorns. I just think they look lovely in that little trio of bowls server there. And then I have my tiered tray at the other end of the buffet. Is that not gorgeous, guys? It just looks so pretty for fall. Pumpkins and apples and sunflowers, all the fall things. So let's start at the top. At the back, I have a Farm Fresh sign with apples on it from Dollarama that I didn't bother to change because it looks so cute on this tray. And then I have this little birdhouse that I repainted last year that looks so cute on there. It's a little metal birdhouse. And then I have my Rae Dunn Fall Y'all cup. The y'all is on the other side. And I have this little strawberry basket from the summer. This is just a little wooden strawberry basket from the grocery store. When I ate the strawberries, I painted it white, and I put a little bit of the black and white checked ribbon around the top of it because it looked cute. And I've just got it filled with some fake apples. And then all the way around, let me step back, see all the way around the top arch handle of that tiered tray, that's where I draped my wood bead garland. So that's what I have on the top tray. And of course I have an orange and white striped dish towel. Then coming down to the second tier, which is almost eye level with me, I have a stack of pumpkins that I glued together, just pumpkins from Dollarama. In the back of this little tray, I have a pot with more sunflowers in, and then I have my Thankful cup with the orange inside. Fall Y'all has orange inside as well. Great for fall and Thanksgiving. I have my Farm Sweet Farm that I got from Dollarama. And then Happy Thanksgiving. That's the little sign that I redid. And these two little ceramic cow salt and pepper shakers. So cute on there. And another dish towel here from that same set. Now that set, this striped one, this towel here, and the one that I redid, Grateful Hearts Gather Here, they all came from the same set and they came from HomeSense. And then on the bottom, I kept it very simple. The navy blue truck and pumpkins are from Scentsy. That's my Scentsy warmer. And when it's plugged in, even the headlights and taillights light up on that. It's so cute. So I have a few pumpkins to the right, one of them on a little clay flower pot because it works like a riser, then the little gobble gobble sign. And my favorite on this tiered tray this year is my cork pumpkin. I didn't realize how stinking cute that was going to be in person. My gosh, I've been seeing people make them for years, and it is worth it, guys, because that piece is so cute. So let me back up and give you one last look. That's how it all looks together. It is so, so pretty in person, guys. I love waking up to this in the mornings. And of course, this will stay like this now until right after Thanksgiving, because our Thanksgiving in Canada is near the 1st of October. And immediately, like the day after Thanksgiving, I will start setting this up for Halloween. Of course, Halloween is one of my favorite holidays to decorate for, so I can't wait for it to get here. Until that happens, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do before you leave the channel. And don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Share my video with family and friends. And I will see everybody in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.